In this session of the video tutorial, I will add a stair to the drawing using the tool stair with the landing. I will construct the stair from south to north direction and stair will have 2 landings. Open the east elevation. Open the dialog box. Let the east-west grid be B and offset distance be -2000 mm. Select the north-south grid for bottom and top level as level 1 and level 2. As my stair is going to start and end with the riser, let the number of risers be 19. Tread length is 250. Stair width is 1000. Waist slab thickness is 225. Select right run for the stair. There are 2 mid-landings in the stair. Its thickness is 255 and length is 1000. Put any mark value. Select the appropriate arrow for the direction of the stair. Hit the OK button. Press the Escape key on the keyboard at the first prompt and at the second prompt select Level 2 slab. Save the family and you can see your stair is ready. Observe the stair in the 3D view. See, this stair starts and ends with the riser. Notice all the smooth joints between the stair and the floor. Now I will delete one of the stairs. Open the Stair Manager. From the bottom level, pull down menu, select Level 1. You can see all the stairs on Level 1 are listed in the table. Select none under the mark column. Hit the OK key. Observe the drawing.